Once again, welcome to Ojaank Times with a big update. India-Sri Lanka defense relations have a rich history, enhancing regional stability through enduring cultural, economic, and political ties over 2,500 years, vital for India's security interests. Mitra Shakti joint military exercise, initiated in 2004, bolsters military relations with annual events held alternately in India and Sri Lanka, celebrating its 10th edition in August 2024. Mitra Shakti aims to improve interoperability, counterterrorism efforts, and urban warfare readiness, fostering enhanced coordination and joint training between the armies for comprehensive disaster response. Key activities in Mitra Shakti 2024 include urban combat simulations, counter-IED operations, drone warfare, and sniper operations, focusing on advanced tactical skills and strategic positioning. The exercise features elite units from the Indian and Sri Lankan armies, including the Rajputana Rifles and Gajaba Regiment, ensuring high-level participation and expertise exchange. The structure of Mitra Shakti involves lectures, discussions, field exercises, and validation, blending theoretical knowledge with practical implementation to assess joint operational capabilities. Advanced technologies showcased include drones, counter-drone systems, satellite communication, and night vision, enhancing surveillance, combat efficiency, and low-light operational capabilities. Maritime security cooperation extends to joint patrols, real-time information sharing, and anti-piracy operations, ensuring coordinated efforts to secure the Indian Ocean against threats. Humanitarian assistance and disaster relief efforts focus on joint planning, rapid deployment, medical assistance, and evacuation drills, optimizing coordinated and effective response strategies. Training and education exchanges include staff colleges, language training, and technical courses, enhancing communication, specialized expertise, and mutual understanding between the forces. Challenges in defense cooperation include growing Chinese influence in Sri Lanka, internal political issues, and resource constraints, potentially impacting joint initiatives and overall collaboration. Future prospects involve cybersecurity cooperation, space technology collaboration, and AI in defense, driving innovation and joint efforts to counter emerging security threats. Economic aspects of defense relations show significant defense trade growth, with key equipment like patrol vessels, radars, ammunition, and aircraft, underlining the economic dimension of cooperation. Regional security implications highlight the growing Chinese naval presence, prompting increased Indian naval activities and Sri Lanka's strategic role in balancing regional power dynamics. Strengthening bonds through mutual benefits, cultural ties, economic growth, and enhanced security, India and Sri Lanka solidify their regional and global influence through robust defense cooperation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel, and press the red bell icon to stay updated daily. To get free study material and PDF content, join us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, and WhatsApp.